Scaffold is a water-soluble and breakaway support material, finally giving you the ability to design and 3D print without limits. As anyone who's designed for 3D printing knows, you just can't print overhangs beyond a certain angle. In the past, we printed supports in the same material as the model to try and overcome this. However, these supports are arduous to remove or sometimes even impossible. And once you do get them removed, the surface finish, quality and accuracy of the part leaves a lot to be desired. Using dual print heads to print a matched pair of materials that have been optimized to print together and adhere together means that we finally have a truly viable solution for soluble support material printing. Scaffold has exceptional flow properties, and this results in large surface area contacts for the support material to bond to the build material. Because we have the ability to tweak both sides of the materials equation, we can get exactly the adhesion we want. What that means is that you can print a part, take it straight off the bed, and then simply separate the build from the support. You might end up with some remnants of the support on the build, but you can simply put that in water and scrub away any remaining support. If we go to the extremes with the water-soluble capabilities of Scaffold, you can do things like print complex, otherwise impossible internal geometries, and even things like moving mechanisms, all in a single print. Scaffold is based on PVA, PVOH, but we've been heavily modifying it throughout the beta period. Things like viscosity, due to feedback from Bowden users, has been improved. Massive boost in adhesion. We've made a lot of changes that make the material more functional and a lot easier to print. We've done a lot of work on reducing the problems inherent to plain old PVA. We've reduced the amount of moisture it absorbs from the atmosphere. We've decreased the rate at which it degrades in the nozzle. We've worked really hard to make sure that it's temperature stable, even up to 110 degrees centigrade on a heated bed. That, together with the fact that it sticks to pretty much any bed surface and it has no warp, means that it's really suitable for a wide array of materials. It's extremely usable, and we're happy to release it as a non-beta product. Scaffold, of course, works best with edge because that's what we formulated it to work with, but it also works pretty damn well with nylons, PET, copolyester based materials. PLA is also a pretty good candidate. It sticks a little bit less effectively, but it's still very manageable and very usable. We really believe that this represents the next great step forward in open 3D printing. There's still work to do in machine design and software features, but Scaffold is the first step on the road to total design freedom in 3D printing. It's available right now, and we're incredibly excited to see what you're going to do with it.